Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm here at Allstate client Kewsi's here in Evans, Georgia. I'm here to do a repair attempt on this slope here. I have a wind damage shingle here, as you can see. Very visible wind damage going on here on this shingle that you guys have afforded for. As you can see here. I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on this one. So again, it's this shingle here that you guys have open up coverage for. This is a wind damage shingle. Okay. This nail has ripped through. So this is the damaged shingle here. It is now 2 rows up. It is torn through this one. And as you can see here, the shingles are ripping. You know, this is one that you've already afforded for. Okay. I want to show you what I mean by the nails are ripping through the shingles. Again, you guys have opened up coverage for this shingle here, not this one or this one. So what I want to show you is, I'm going to sink down. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the one you paid for. This is the wind damage shingle you guys have paid for. Nailed 2 rows up. You guys did not afford coverage for this one or this one. But look here, make my roof snake. See how it's ripped right here. The shingle has ripped at the nail line here. As you can see, that is what I mean by the nails ripping through the shingle. So now you've got to afford coverage for the shingle. Oh, got granules in my eye. a nail there. Oh, no, I don't know if you saw that. The nail is right here, and in order to get the nail out, you have to hook the nail with the roof snake, and then you just push down in order to get it out, but it just ripped the shingle. Again, not one that you guys have opened up coverage for, but you will have to now. Now I'm gonna try and not rip anymore so that I can get this nail out. The nail is right here, right above the tear. Here. This is a very high pitch, so I'm having to utilize my Rich Pro so that I don't fall. Okay. Nail is out, but as you can see here, it's ripped that shingle. All to just repair this one. All right, nail is finally out. I got another one hiding. Yeah, right there. I got another one hiding over here. Another nail. We're still snagged on a nail somewhere right here. A very stubborn nail right here, which is expected because these valleys tie into each other and the shingle is going into the valley. There's that stubborn shingle. So as you can see here, like I was talking about, the nails are just ripping through. This is what's happening right here. I'll show you guys in a minute. Again, right here. But as you can see, this is one of the wind damage shingles that you guys had afforded for. I will be going back with another architectural shingle here, even though it's already failed. This shingle, I'll show you in a second, even though it is an architectural shingle, just like this one is, it is not gonna fit. It's actually too big, but we gotta make do. And again, this is a very steep pitch, so everything's just kind of falling down on the underside. All right, we are in. As you can see here, the exposure is already way off. All right, now to go back in. Again, using the roof snake. Last one. We are in. I'm gonna take the camera out, show you. Oh, sorry, I got granules in my eyes. You can see granules falling down the ladder. So here is the new shingle put in. As you can see here, we have a ton of damage just from this repair alone. Just to repair the one shingle. As you can see here, this is where I talked about it ripping. The shingles ripped here. the shingle ripped here. We've got some ripping here, all from just repairing this one shingle. So with that, there is going to be no start or stop to the amount of damage that's going to occur when you go to repair this roof. And because of that, you have to indemnify the insured, bring them back to pre-loss conditions. And this is not pre-loss conditions. This is not what they had prior to Hurricane Helene. So therefore, a full roof replacement has to be warranted in order to uphold the policy. And again, I'm down here. As you can see here, this is not same in kind like quality. It overlaps here. You can see here, we got an overlap here, and the exposure is way off. I will take the shingle with me in case you guys want to do ITEL. But yeah, this is definitely a failed repair.